Yo guys, welcome back with me, Ken Wilboy. I am a certified technical analyst with over 10 years of experience and I have made profits of more than $1 million. Okay, let's begin now. In this video, I'm going to talk about Forex trading for beginners. Free full course. This is 100% free. So yeah, let's begin. Before you want to start Forex, you need to know what is Forex first. So what is Forex? Forex is short for foreign exchange. It's the marketplace for buying and selling currency. Basically, it's the place where people exchange one currency with another currency. Just like when you go to a money changer in an airport, it means that you are trading Forex, but it's in spot physical dollars or physical bills. But this one, we can also trade online. Okay, so it is the largest financial market in the world with over $7 trillion of transaction every single day. And it operates 5 days a week from Monday to Friday, and it's closed on weekends. And it's used by banks, government, institutions, and traders like me and you. Okay, so which pair should we trade? Okay, I would say for beginners, I would recommend you to stick to the major or the popular pair. Why? For the popular one or the major pair, they have high liquidity. With high liquidity, you get the best trading fee, low spreads, low execution time. Everything is good, you know. Like here, see, the fees here for major pair is so low. For me, it's basically almost free. I mean, like if you trade here using the Fortuna markets, on the major pair or the popular one, it's super low, the V's. Yeah. And also, other than liquidity, popular pairs also have more educational resources you can access online on YouTube, on TikTok, Instagram. So yeah, it's good for beginners to start from the major or popular pair. So yeah, if you don't know what is pair is basically like this currency pair, XAU, USD. Pair is the instruments, means gold paired with USD, gold against the dollar. Euro USD, it means like euro against the US dollar. Yeah, something like that. And by the way, I'm currently up here. I'm currently up 17 or 18,000 USD in my account. This is one of my accounts. Take a look, over $1 million. But, you know, I started from nothing, so you can do it too. Don't worry. Okay, and also another question. When should we trade? Well, it depends on which currency pair are you trading or which asset are you trading in. For currency pair with USD, I would recommend you to trade during the New York session. For currency like with GBP in it, you can trade on London session. Why? Okay, let me show you this indicator. Session. If you type session, maybe by Lux Algo or anything, no problem. You can see the market sessions here. This is basically an indicator telling you when it's the time where the financial institutions are open. Like here, during the New York session, it means like in New York, the financial institutions are open. And in London session, it means that in London, during this time, the financial institutions are opened. But during Tokyo session, the financial institution in New York, they are closed. So this is what market session is. And you need to match this market session, like the current market session, to the pair you're trading in. Like, for example, if you're trading this, like XAUSD gold, very popular, it's most active because there is only, the currency is only USD. Gold is like a commodity. The currency here is USD. It means that gold are most active and they have the highest liquidity during the New York session because New York is in USA, right? They use US dollar. So for any currency with USD in it, it's active during the New York session, or it's most active during the New York session. How about if you want to trade during the Asian session, like the Tokyo session? I would recommend you to trade like GBP, JPY, yeah, currency with JPY in it, Japanese yen, or maybe USD JPY. If you see USD JPY like this, it means that the currency pair is active and have high liquidity during the Japanese Tokyo session and New York session. But during the London session, it might have lower liquidity. So that's basically it. You need to match the currency pair you're trading in with the market session. So if you don't know what time is a specific market session is, just use the market session indicator like what I do here. Type in sessions and use any indicator created by a TradingView community on market session, and yeah, match it. So yeah, like this. Now it's London session. It's not yet New York session. I will like pause my trading until the New York session opens. That's what I would, because the market have high liquidity like the USD market in the New York session. Okay, and do you have any good strategy? Well, there is a lot of strategy out there. Every strategy have their own pros and cons and their weaknesses. There is no such thing as wonder strategy with 100% accuracy, but I can tell you one, if you, for the sake of you, the viewers, I will tell you a single strategy that is used by thousands and thousands of traders for hundreds of years. This is called support and resistance. So what I would do, and you also should do, if you want to trade using support and resistance, you need to learn how to draw support and resistance level. So basically, what is support? Support is an imaginary floor where prices tend to bounce upward if it touches the support level. And resistance is an imaginary ceiling where prices tend to bounce downward if it touches the resistance. So yeah, you need to find a level where the price bounces, always bounces off that specific level, and that level might be a key level, either support or resistance. Like this, here is the support. And how would you trade support and resistance? Well, what I would do, if it bounces off the support like here, actually here is a very good time for you to buy. I will show you here. Here, good time to buy, good time to buy. Why? Because the price level here is rejected a couple of times already. So this is a valid support. But if a support level is broken, normally the price will fall aggressively and you can begin selling. Yeah, and the other way around. For resistance, the market usually bounces downward, so you could sell in the resistance level. Like, I mean, let me show you here. Here is a good resistance level, if you can see it here. Why? See, the market had rejected a couple of times in this level. So this is a good resistance. You can sell when the market touches the resistance level like this. And also you could buy when the market breaks the resistance. Because when the resistance is broken, the market usually rise quite aggressively. Like this one. See, you could buy here and the market would rise quite aggressively. You could have taken profit here and make quite some money. Yeah. So yeah, this is support and resistance. Of course, simple in theory, but in practice, it might need a little bit of practice, you know. The more you do it, the better it gets. But this is a very, very effective, and it has been used for hundreds of years. So I would recommend you, if you're a beginner, start with support and resistance. That's what I use for years since I started learning how to trade. Up until now, I always use support and resistance to confirm my entries. Yeah, this is a very good strategy. And which app should we use to trade? If you're looking for an app or a broker, I would recommend you to use Fortuno Markets, because Fortuno Markets currently is the best trading app or broker. They have very, very low spread or trading fees, super low, like almost zero. It's basically nothing, bro. That's number one. Number two, it's legit. A legit and credible company, regulated. It's a good company. You can trust your money in Fortuno Markets. I trust my money in Fortuno Markets. Fortuno Markets changed my life, so I would also recommend you to do the same. That's the second one. Safe. So it's low cost, safe. And third one, they have the best affiliate program. If you're into the affiliate thing, yeah, you're a creator, you're a bloggers, vloggers, anything, they got the best affiliate program out there with 70% spread sharing or revenue sharing. So if your client pays $10, the IB gets $7 back in spread rebate. Yeah, very good. Good stuff here. Fortuno Markets, 100% recommended. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching and peace out.